Today, I'm going to be showing you how to encrypt the home folder on Manjaro, which is the folder that stores your data on your user. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is go into your settings, and then you're going to want to create a new user. Now, you can delete this user after we're done, but it will need to have administrator privileges. Then just create a password for it, and then click on create. And then it's gonna ask for your password. And now we're gonna reboot the system to ensure that when we go to encrypt our home folder, that none of the files from our home folder are in use. That's why you created a new user for the purposes of encrypting our main user's home folder. All right, now that your system's rebooted, you're going to log into your temporary user account. All right, and then you're going to open up a terminal window, and then you're going to type in a few commands, all of which I'll have in the description. First, you're going to want to do sudo pacman -s ecryptfs-utils, then hit enter, then punch in your password, then proceed with the installation, and then you're going to want to do sudo ecryptfs-migrate-home -u, your username for your main account, then hit enter. Oh, it needs lsof, so let's go ahead and install that dependency. Just do pacman-s lsof, and now we should be able to encrypt our home folder. Oh, first we need to do sudo modprobe ecryptfs, and now we should be able to encrypt our home folder. So now it's going to ask you for the password on your main account, so enter that, and then it'll go encrypt the home folder. So now, depending on how much data you have in your home folder, this could take a while. However, I'm demonstrating this on a lightly used virtual machine, so this won't take nearly as long. It already completed in the time that you've been listening to my voice. I did not speed that up, that was real time. The very last step that you have to do before you can log into your main user is make your home folder writable again, as it doesn't happen automatically for some reason. To do that, just do sudo chmod 700/home/your username on your main account, then hit enter, and now you can log out of your temporary user and then log back into your main user. Now you should be able to log in with no issues. For some reason, it resets ZSH to its default settings rather than the Manjaro settings. I'm really not sure why that is. To restore the Manjaro settings, just go into your file manager, then go into root, home, your home folder backup, then copy this ZSHRC file, and you will need to enable show hidden files to be able to see it, and then copy the file in, overwriting files if necessary. Okay, now you got the default Manjaro settings, and you can copy your data from the home folder backup if it's not there, but once all your data is there, then you'll want to delete that unencrypted home folder backup by doing cd/home, and then do an ls, and then for the unencrypted copy of your home folder, not your main now encrypted home folder, you're going to want to do sudo rm-rf, the unencrypted backup of your home folder, again, not your main home folder, then punch in your password, and then that'll be gone. If we do an ls again, it's not there. If we go into our file manager, it's not there. And by the way, now you can go delete that temporary user. And that's it for this video. Give it a like if you like it, dislike if you disliked it, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And stay tuned for part 4 of this series, where I show you how to remove Windows from a dual boot with Manjaro.